to record. Right, so again, we've got two diagrams, which we will have a look at, and we've got some information, and we won't just skip over any of it. So we've got something, they're not accurately drawn. Just one thing that's come to my mind there, unless it says in any question the word measure, they will not be to scale. It used to be the case, and this is an old one, it had not to scale drawn on. Now they don't put that on. However, you will only ever use a protractor or a ruler if the question says measure. Otherwise, it won't work. You won't get the marks. So, triangles ABC and PQR are mathematically similar. So again, it's telling us they're in proportion. So it's telling us we can use scale factor. It's got a little bit more than the previous one because it's actually telling us angle A is the same as angle P. So it's telling us the orientation of them. It's telling us the information, but it's written on there as well. But we now know that AB is corresponding to PQ, AC is corresponding to PR, so we know which ones we can match up. And as we said previously, there'll always be two corresponding sides where they give us the information. They've given us AC is 4 and PR is 6. So if I do the long side divided by the short side, PR divided by AC, that's 6 divided by 4, and rather annoyingly, it gives the same scale factor. That is just a fluke. The scale factor will not always be 1.5. Those are just the two examples I dug out when I was rooting around past papers. So, we've worked out the scale factor. It's now saying work out the length of QR. QR corresponds to BC. If I'm going that way, I'm timesing by 1.5. If I'm going that way, I'm dividing by 1.5. So, 12 times by 1.5, 1 lot of 12 is 12, half 12 is 6, it equals 18. Part B, going to have to just move the diagram out of the way for now. So work out the length of AB. Look up at AB, AB is corresponding to PQ, which is 15. I'm going smaller, so I'm going to be doing 15 divided by 1.5. You can go up in your 1.5 times table, or you can realise that it must be times by 10 to get to 15. So it's 10 centimetres. Right.